Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you on a virtual tour of one of the most breathtaking places on Earth, Alaska. First, let's dive into a bit of history. Alaska, purchased from Russia in 1867, is known as the last frontier. This vast and untamed region became the 49th state of the USA in 1959. Alaska's rich history is deeply intertwined with the indigenous cultures that have thrived here for thousands of years, and the gold rush that brought waves of settlers in the late 19th century. Now let's talk landmarks. One of the must-see places is Denali National Park, home to North America's tallest peak, Mount Denali. The views here are simply out of this world. Another iconic spot is the Glaciers National Park, where you can witness colossal glaciers crashing into the ocean, a sight you'll never forget. But Alaska isn't just about natural wonders. Head over to Anchorage, the largest city, where you can explore the Anchorage Museum to get a feel for the region's history and art. And don't miss out on Fairbanks, where you can learn about gold rush history and even try your hand at panning for gold. When it comes to lifestyle, Alaskans are known for their rugged independence and close connection to nature. The long summer days with midnight sun allow for endless outdoor adventures, while the winter brings opportunities for dog sledding and viewing the magical northern lights. Wondering where to stay? For a unique experience, consider staying in a cozy cabin in the heart of nature. If you prefer more luxury, there are plenty of charming lodges and hotels in cities like Anchorage and Juneau that offer stunning views and top-notch amenities. And now, let's talk fun activities. In the summer, hiking, fishing, and wildlife viewing are top on the list. Imagine spotting grizzly bears, moose, and bald eagles in their natural habitat. Winter offers skiing, snowboarding, and experiencing the renowned Iditarod Trail Sled Dog Race. And of course, no visit to Alaska is complete without a boat tour to see majestic whales. So, if you're looking for an adventure like no other, Alaska should definitely be on your bucket list. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this virtual tour. Don't forget to comment below and share your favorite Alaskan spot or dream destination. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and virtual tours around the globe. See you in the next video.